Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. As we are still mourning the death of DJ Warras, here we are receiving yet again another tragic news. Mpumalanga DJ was shot and killed for switching music off and on Christmas Eve. The South African Police Service said a night of fun on Christmas Eve ended in a very tragic loss. A patron allegedly took the life of a local DJ in Masoyi near White River for stopping the music at a tavern. Like, guys, when I say things are getting out of hands, not long ago we were still trying to take in the news that 9 people were shot and killed in a tavern. So at this point, I just feel like it's very dangerous to be in a tavern. Yeah, just stay at home. Be at home because a lot is happening, guys. A lot is happening. Stay safe. Be safe out there. Unfortunately, the patron also took his own life after he took the life of the DJ. And for him to react like this is because the DJ told them, Oguti, it's now time to leave the tavern. And he was now ready to pick up his stuff and leave. And the patron reacted in a way that no one expected. He actually killed the DJ in front of everyone, and after that he took his own life. Unfortunately, at this point there is no justice that will be served, because the person that is supposed to serve the justice is normal, which is a very sad story, guys. It was supposed to be Christmas, people were supposed to be enjoying, and it turned out to be a very tragic thing that can ever happen, guys. Because what do you mean that he killed this DJ because the time was up? Like, people are not happy out here. And let's be very careful, guys. People are not happy. People are very angry. I don't think there is any normal person who is in his right sense and at peace would react like this. I don't think so. This actually shows us and proves to us what it is very dangerous to be outside, especially at night, because this happened at midnight. Yes, be at home, guys, because you're winning. A lot can just go wrong. A very small thing can turn into something very big.